Yeah, greeting my people. This is Mosha again. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Dominican Republic. And I just want to do a little quick video. I haven't done a video in a while. I don't do too many videos because everybody's doing videos. But anytime I have a happy customer or two, I like them to tell you how they really feel about the food. These two brothers came here this morning. Somebody told them about the food. And they came, they gone on a trip. I told them, just give me time to cook the food. Just like I say in all my videos, if you give me time to cook, I will put my soul into it. I ain't the best chef, I'm not bragging, but you might like it, you just might. And I want them to tell you how they feel. They had the jerk fish. And first of all, brother, what's your name?
Ricky.
Ricky, where you from?
Atlanta.
He's from Atlanta. Ricky, drop some bomb on them. Tell them what happened with this food.
This is the best food, man, out there, man.
You hear that?
Is good.
You hear that?
Man, give him some time, man, because you going to eat good with him.
There you go. And he talking real. And Ricky ain't a man of many words, but just you hear his voice and his texture, you know he's real. He ain't lying. That's his fish right there. That's what's left of his fish.
Yeah,
okay? All of it.
That's cartoon style.
What is that?
Cartoon style.
Cartoon style. And brother, what's your name? That's his partner right here.
Rob.
Rob.
Yes,
Boom
sir.
shakata. Give them the news.
Delicious. He won't say it, but he the best out here.
I think, you know what? I was just telling the brothers, I said, look, self-praise is no recommendation, right? So
sir.
when you hear people say they're the best, they're the one on the number one on the beach and all of this stuff, I think you should give them a check. Just double check that and make sure it's the truth. And how do you check that? Just go to every single place. I want to get you guys in this. Just go to every single place and try the food. And then you can judge for yourself. Don't let nobody hype you up. Don't be quick to run to a spot where you see crowded with people. It ain't about that. There's a saying that says, where dead bodies are, there do vultures flock. And in this country, where there's a lot of people gather, that's where the skank comes. You got the hustlers come, and people are not aware, the guys are not aware. Next thing, they lose their phone, they lose their wallet. Then you got all these chulas coming around you. So I ain't saying this negatively. I'm just saying, don't listen to the people telling you they got the best of nothing in America, in Dominican Republic. And I want to thank these two brothers for their time. And once again, your name, brother? Ricky. Thank you, Ricky. And Rob. Listen, guys, enough love, maximum respect. And I know they enjoyed it, because I tell you what, if they didn't enjoy it, when they came back, how long did you have to wait afterwards? Around 15 minutes? When they came back, they was hungry, and they fucking excuse my language, they waited for the food extra 15 minutes. So if it wasn't good, when a person's hungry and the food coming ain't no good, you're gonna hear it bad. And they happy. Look, they smiling. Look at that. Guys, thank you. And listen, people, when you come, I got lots of games. I got chess, I got backgammon, I got cards, I got dice game, I got, candy lane, I got everything here. So, but I want to say one message to my people out there. Listen, guys, there's one thing in life that you must remember about success. The world is like a mirror. Don't forget that. And it reflects what you do. If you face the world smiling, what happens? It smiles right back at you. The next thing, somebody said this years ago. They said, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So what? You treat people how you want them to treat you. Don't go treating people like crap and then you expect them to be good to you. You see what I'm saying? Don't talk bad about people. Don't put people down. You got to rise, as we say in Jamaica, higher level, higher level, higher level, higher level. You understand? You got to be on a higher level. We are the chosen people of the Most High. There's a message in what I'm saying to you. Okay? There's a lot of people coming here making videos, putting people down and doing all kinds of shit. You don't need to do that. If you come and you open a business here, just cook food for people can like these brothers here. And anybody who follow my channels, they know. I don't have a crowd of people coming here. I have lots of people. Sometimes people call an order. But I don't want the boom crowd. Because when you have the boom crowd, number one, I don't cook McDougal stew. And I don't cook King Burger chicken kitchen, okay? I cook food. So if you want McDougal, stay in America. If you want King Burger stew, stay there too. Because I ain't doing that here. Boom shakatak, peace out.